Wallpapering a corner requires a special technique. This is how you get a stable corner so the wallpaper doesn't crack. Align the pattern with the previous strip to see where it needs to be cut off. Mark the direction of the wallpaper so all strips end up in the same direction. Measure the distance from the corner to the previous strip. Measure on the top and at the bottom. If the measurements are different, use the largest one. Fold the strip to make it easier to cut. Measure and mark the largest measurement on the strip and add 1 centimeter so you can wallpaper around the corner. Cut the strip with a paper hanging cutting block and a paper hanging ruler. Save the part that's left for the next step. Glue and attach the strip edge to edge and press firmly all the way down. Smooth it out with a wallpaper smoother. Make sure that it attaches properly in the corner. Measure the remaining part of the strip. Then measure on the wall and draw a plumb line before you continue. Overlap with the remaining part over the corner strip as close to the inner corner as possible. Make sure that the strip is straight and that the pattern is aligned. Continue with the wall and repeat the technique in the next corner.